A truck was moving steadily on the highway. Traffic was flowing normally, with vehicles all around. Ahead of the truck, a car was driving in the same lane. Another truck was moving on the left side. Everything looked under control. The distance between vehicles seemed safe. But suddenly, the car ahead slowed down. Within seconds, it came to a complete stop. The truck driver reacted and hit the brakes. The truck managed to slow, but not enough. A hard impact happened from behind. The car was pushed forward by the force. For a moment, it looked like it might escape. The car moved slightly ahead on the road, but then, it braked again suddenly. The truck, already too close, couldn't stop in time. Another collision happened instantly. The truck slammed into the car for the second time. Everything happened within just a few seconds, a chain reaction on a busy highway. All caused by sudden braking and no escape space.